Is your Roku remote not controlling the volume or power on your TCL TV? Or maybe you just skipped this step during the initial setup? Don't worry, in this quick video, I'll show you exactly how to pair your Roku remote to any TCL TV in just about 60 seconds. Let's get started. First, grab your Roku remote and press the home button to make sure you are on the main dashboard. From here, scroll down on the left-hand menu and select Settings. Next, scroll down and click on Remotes and Devices and then select Remotes. Here you will see your active Roku voice remote listed. Click on it and then choose the option that says Set up remote for TV control. The Roku system will now ask you what brand of TV you have. Scroll through the list or search for TCL and select it. Now your Roku will start playing background music and ask if you can hear it. Just click Yes. It will then attempt to mute the TV volume. If the music stops playing, click Yes, the music stopped. And that's it. You will see a success message on the screen. Your Roku remote is now fully synced to control both your TCL TV's volume and the power button. If this quick fix helped you out, please drop a like on the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.